Okay, students, welcome back to Arithmetic Progression revision class. So, we are discussing actually revision part of the arithmetic progression. Okay, see here, some students they have messaged me that once again you just explain the second problem. So, just listen carefully this problem actually. The sum of third and fourth term. The sum of third and fourth term, sorry, seventh terms of an AP is 6 and their product only is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 terms. We have to find the sum of the first 16 terms of an AP. So third term is A3, usually denoted as A3. Seventh term A7. Sum of these two terms is 6. A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. So general term A3 will write it in the form of A plus 2D. A7 is A plus 6D, which is equal to 6. So A plus A 2A, 2D plus 6D is 8D, which is equal to 6. So 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. Here you can observe the two common factor. So then if you take two common factor divided by 2, you can divide the whole equation by 2 so that you will get the simple equation. Okay. So then divided by 2 in the sense 2 get cancel A here, 2 4s are 8, then 2 3s are 6, A plus 4D is equal to 3. Then what is the A value? A is equal to 3 minus 4D. Keep this A value as it is. This is for the first statement. Next, second statement is their product is 8. Their product in the sense third term and seventh term product is 8. A3 into A7 is equal to 8. So, okay, A3 into A7 which is equal to 8. Here you just observe A3 into A7 is equal to 8. A3 is A plus 2D. A7 is A plus 6D which is equal to 8. Here we are substituting A value. Now just now we got the A value in the last page. No? 3 minus 4D. So 3 minus 4D plus 2D. Here 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 6. Then here 4D, 2D. Minus 4D plus 2D is minus 2D. 3 minus 2D. Here 3 plus 2D which is equal to 8. Then here A minus B into A plus B identity we are observing, then A square minus B square, that is 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8. Then minus 4D square is equal to 8. Just take this 9 to this side, minus 9. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Minus 4D square minus is equal to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. Then D square is equal to 1 by 4. Then D is equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute this D value in the A value. A is equal to 3 minus 4D we got now. A is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is A is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. A is 1, D is 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the sum of the first 16 terms. 16 terms, Sn, sum in the sense Sn formula we have to use. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So then n is 16 because sum of 16 numbers we have to find. Substitute the value 16 by 2, 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 is 15, d is 1 by 2. Then after simplification 2 plus 15 by 2, here by taking LCM you will get 4 plus 15 by 2, then 8 into 19 by 2, after the simplification you will get 76. Okay, this is the explanation part of the second problem. Now we are going to discuss the third question. Okay, third question is like this. The 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term. So while reading the statement only you have to understand the problem properly. See here, the 13th term, A13, okay, 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term, 2 times 2 into A10. A13 which is equal to 2 into A10 now. This is first 10. And the third term A3 is 6 more than 2 times the sixth term. So by just understand the statement. First one is simple. 13th term in the sense A13 is equal to 2 times its 10th term. 2 into A10. First statement. And the third term is A3 which is equal to 6 more than in the sense plus sign you have to use. 6 plus 2 times the sixth term, 2 into A6. Find the sum of first 3 terms of the AP. Find the sum of the first three terms of the AP. So now we'll start the first problem. Okay, A13. Directly we are taking the general term. A13 which is equal to 2 into A10. Okay na? So we are writing in the general term actually. A13 andre A plus 12D which is equal to 2 into A10 andre A plus 9D. Okay, we are substituting that one. Then A plus 12D is equal to, here we are removing the bracket, 2 into A plus 9D, in the sense 2 into A 2A plus 2 into 9D is 18D. Then A plus 12D is equal to 2A plus 18D. Then take this A one side like terms. Okay, A minus 2A is equal to, here 18D. Then 12D transfer to this side, minus 12D. Then minus A is equal to 18D minus 12D is 6D. Then here A is equal to minus 6D. Minus A is equal to 6D in the sense, what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 6D. Is that clear? This is for the first statement. Only this much we can do for the first statement. So now we have to go to the second statement. Second statement is, third term andre A3. A3 andre A plus 2D is 6 more than 6 plus 2 times of the A6. Okay, 2 times of A6. Okay, sixth term, that is A plus 5D. Directly we are writing. If you want, you can write that type also. Okay, A3 which is equal to 2 into A6 plus 6. So then A plus 2D is equal to, here just remove the bracket, 2 into A is 2A plus 2 into 5D is 10D plus 6. Then A plus 2D which is equal to 2A plus 10D plus 6. Okay, so then like terms we have to take one side. So A value we got minus 6D. No? Can we substitute A value here? A place minus 6D plus 2D as it is. 2 into A place minus 6D. Directly we are writing as minus 12D plus 10D plus 6. So here we substituted A value in A place. Then minus 6D plus 2D is minus 4D which is equal to minus 12D plus 10D is minus 2D plus 6. Then minus 4D, take this 2D to this side plus 2D which is equal to 6. Minus 4D plus 2D is minus 2D which is equal to 6. Then D is equal to 6 divided by minus 2 is D is equal to minus 3. We got D value as minus 3. Now substitute this D in A. A is equal to minus 6 into D we got now actually. Minus 6 into D value is minus 3. So A is equal to minus 6 into minus 3 which is equal to plus 18. A value is 18. D value is minus 3. This one actually we need. Now we have to find out the sum of the first three terms of the AP. S3 we have to find. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, same to same type of problem. Sn is equal to n place is 3 by 2 into 2 into a value is 18 plus n is 3 minus 1 and d is minus 3. Then 3 by 2, 18 2s are 36 plus here 3 minus 1 is 2 into minus 3. Then 3 by 2 into 36 minus 6. 3 by 2 into 36 minus 6 is 30. Then 2 1s are 2 15s are. So then 15 3s are 45. So this is about the simple problem. Got the idea of this question, students? Same to some type of second problem only. First statement ge A value ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡಿ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n terms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ Sn ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್. ನೋ Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Got the idea of this question right now? Yes, we'll go to fourth problem. Fourth question is little bit different, right? But not different, easy. The pth, qth and rth terms of an AP. See, fourth question is like this. The pth, qth and rth terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively. So they have given the name for that. Pth term is A, qth term is B and rth term is C respectively. Prove that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q, which is equal to 0. We have to show this expression. Okay. So our target is this one. We need the final result, this one, using this given data. What is given actually? Pth term, qth term, rth term. We all know nth term of an AP. What is that nth term of an AP? What is the 10th term of an AP? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, no? Yes. Okay. An is equal to nth term of an AP is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term. Then what is the pth term? Pth term is AP, which is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. In place of n, we have to write P. Then qth term is AQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. This is actually qth term. Then what is that rth term? AR is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. Like nth term, so we took AP, AQ, AR in the form of AN. Got the idea? So now using this data, we have to show that we have to apply some tricks to get the result. What result we need? A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q is equal to 0 result we need actually. So for this what we have to do now? So let us take general start. We started with this one only, no? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We all know this one. Then AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D, no? In place of n, if we take P, then A plus P minus 1 into D. So they are given that question. Let us recall the question that. So pth term, qth term, rth term are respectively A, B, C. See here, this pth term An, qth term equal to B, then rth term equal to C. So now we have to substitute that A, B, C here. Pth term is equal to A. So here we are going to substitute AP as A. Then we got the equation as A is equal to A plus your multiplication P minus 1 into D is dP minus D. Call this equation as equation number 1. So here equation numbers are very, very important. See, we are using given data only. Given data is pth term, qth term, rth term are respectively A, B and C. Pth term is nothing but nth term of an AP. How we will write actually? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. No? In the same way, AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. AP, that pth term is equal to A. So we are substituting AP as A. Okay. We are having problems network. Okay. AP is equal to A is equal to A plus dP minus D. Call this equation as equation number 1. Now qth term. AQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. Qth term is represented as B. Therefore, B is equal to A plus DQ minus D. Call this equation as equation 2. Next, rth term. AR is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. Then rth term is C. C which is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D and dr minus D. Call this equation as equation 3. Now we have 3 equations. Only 3 equations we have. We have to find out the trick. So what trick actually? Now we are subtracting this from this. Equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 2 is this one. B minus A. Subtraction is nothing but LHS minus LHS is equal to RHS minus RHS. So here we'll get, subtract equation 2 from 1, then we'll get A minus B which is equal to A plus dP minus A minus dQ plus D. Okay, subtract equation 2 from 1. So one equation in the ಎರಡನೇ equation na subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then you will get A minus B which is equal to D into P minus Q. We got the result. So here this result we have to give the name as equation number 4. I think you need the board explanation for this subtraction part. No, here we skipped that how to subtract because this is an easy part, but it's okay. We'll explain this one actually once we'll complete the question once. Okay, na? So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ actually ಅಂತ no network.